U.S. stocks closed nearly unchanged on Tuesday as investors braced for the Federal Reserve interest rate decision on Wednesday. The Dow and S&P 500 ended essentially flat, while the Nasdaq added 0.2%. The S&P 500 touched a record high earlier in the session after an unexpected rise in August retail sales eased worries of a sharp economic slowdown. Still, markets were pricing in a more than 60% chance that the Fed will cut borrowing costs by 50 basis points at the end of its two-day meeting on Wednesday, according to the CME's FedWatch tool. That's a shift from just last week, when most traders were betting on a smaller 25 basis point cut. George Cipollone is portfolio manager at Penn Mutual Asset Management.
I think the reason why stocks are flat today is exactly because of that the Fed is going to make it a huge announcement, and people aren't sure what to do right now. Again, there's a ton of uncertainty around this decision, and so longer term, I personally, as an investor, don't really think it matters whether it's 25 or 50. But in the short term, I definitely think we are set up to see some volatility again if the market's disappointed or not tomorrow.
Stocks on the move included Intel, which gained 2.7% after signing Amazon's cloud services unit as a customer to make custom AI chips. Amazon shares added 1%. Sticking with AI, shares of semiconductor powerhouse NVIDIA shed 1%. And shares of Microsoft gained after the tech giant's board approved a new $60 billion share buyback program and hiked its quarterly dividend by 10%.